Hi everyone. We're going to introduce our group project named Teammatch. For this web application, this is for E6156 project. And our application aims to help students grouping with teammates under some preferences that they can input. So basically, we have three functions for this project. The first one is registration, that you can easily register your account using your Columbia University uni and also the email to start login. And you can also log in using the Google login. And as for the courses pages, you will have the access to the course database. You can add the course that you have taken in any semester and add it to your course list for further team match process. As for the my teammates, this is the function that you can filter the preferences and find your teammates with the design course. And as a team leader, you can create a group, and you can also edit the group with adding some new teammates whenever they send you an email where they can find on your profile pages. So basically, that's all the functions we have for this team match project. And Bowen will introduce you to all the UI functions in our front-end pages.
Hello, Professor. We have built up 3 EC2 and 1 Elastic Bean Stack and the S3 budget, and let me show you with our S3 budget deployed on the AWS. Firstly, we can sign up the website by clicking up Create the Account and filling all the information at here. And we can also leave the mid name as the blank. And then we create it. And after we create it, we will receive the email to verify our account. And so we can see it from the Columbia mail and click on this and find that the student has been already verified. And after that, we can just log in. And we can also log in with the Google. And in this way, we design the student login with the online API called the MailJet. And after we log in, first thing we should do is to edit the profile. And in this profile, we have also made the constraint that if the user have not added the profile, they cannot create the team and add or check the preference. And we can also show it. We can also try to check the preference, and it will show that you should first add the profile before you check it. And also, we can also go to the teammate and try to create the team. And try to add the team, and it should also show the error. And so we should firstly edit the profile, and we should fill in the time zone, the major, and the gender, and also the personal message. And we should save it. And after we edit it, it will show in our profile, and also we can also change it. And then let me show you the course part. So the course part, I think the core function of that is to add the student preference and check it. And before adding the student preference, we should firstly search the course with its name. And we can try to just search the cloud computing. And try to add a course, and it shows that there already exists one course. So we just need to check it, and we can find all the information at here. And in this information, we can see the course ID of it. And then we should remember the course ID, that is 7, and go to the preference page and add our preference. So we should fill in all the information at here. And for the preference, we should also edit the our preferred time zone and the major and our message and edit. And it shows that the operation is success, and we can also check it. And then we can check the preference at here. And when checking the preference, we also design the pagination function in this part. And in this part, the user can view 3, 6, or 9 records in one page. And when we checking the preference, we can also edit the preference or delete it. And we can try to edit and change it. Maybe we can change the major to the statistics. And it shows that the operation is success. And then let me introduce the team part. For the team part, the first thing we should is to create the team. And besides, we can also search the team by its corresponding course ID. And you can see that because you can only edit the team that you create. And if the team is not created by yourself, you only view at it. And you can also edit it or delete it. And also we designed the pagination at here also. So in this way, we can firstly create a team with the course ID of the cloud computing. And so in this way, we can find that we have already created team. And also we can edit it and change the number we need or the messages. And then you can see that the message have been changed and the number have been updated. And after that, after we create team, we can also add the number in it. And so we should firstly click on the team. And then you can see all the information such as the team name, the team captain and team message, and also the course ID and team ID at here. And you can also find the team number at here. And in this part, we have two functions. In the first function is to add the team member. And we should guarantee that the unit we add is someone who have already signed up and added the profile. If the unit does not exist, it will have the mistakes. And in addition, in this part, if we successfully add the new member, the whole system will delete that person's course preference to that course ID. However, when our captain creates team, the captain's course preference will still remaining so that other people can check the preference and ask the captain to join it. And we can show you. Maybe we can just fill in the student unit that does not exist. And try to add a member and it show the error. And we just try to add the member that we have already created. And you can see that the member have already been created. And also we can also delete member from the team. And besides, another amazing function in this part is to search the user that satisfy the major and time zone that we prefer in this course ID. And we can find the user by looking for their major and the time zone and return the same person that's corresponding to our course preference. And you can see that in this part, we find that no preference on this course have been found. And hello, Professor, and this is the EC2 that we have deployed, and we also deployed S3 and connected it. And so we just show all the front end by it.